Good evening, everyone. Welcome to closing comments here on April 23rd. Let's jump right in. Fat cattle markets, another good day of upside. Saw new all-time highs print in the first 30 minutes of the day. We did spend the rest of the day trying to defend that opening range low. Saw a good run into the close, but weren't quite able to close at the highs. But good momentum by the bulls nonetheless. Expect this upside to continue. Next up in our feeders, we got the August contract as our new front month. Today we saw that early breakout, not to new all-time highs, but definitely trying to test these recent highs from March. We did see a price put in a high at 293.80. We are getting some equal highs at 294 here. Price did close the day unchanged, slightly negative. But if the bulls can get a nice push above 294, should cause a nice flush higher. So expect the bulls to keep pushing here as well. Jump over to the July corn market. Today we saw continued downside after breaking down below our bear pivot yesterday. Did see a push back down into this 50-day average and a brief undercut below it, closing the day right here equal with the 50-day average. Today's low was down here near 477, which was our breakout point dating back to April 9th. Expect to see corn kind of balance out here and make up its mind. We're going to be looking for buyers to step in and support this as we are dancing around these key moving averages and this prior breakout level. This is going to be a spot we're going to expect support to step in and be looking for a next leg higher. Just need to wait for price to balance out here. Jump over to the crude oil market. Today we saw a nice breakout, not quite hitting 65, but got up to 64.87 today and failing. Nice rejection on high volume today, engulfing our prior day's action, showing this is probably a good signal the bears are stepping in and looking to sell this thing lower. If we can see continued downside below 62 tomorrow and get a close below this current week's range, I'd expect the bears to start pushing back down towards these prior lows in the mid-50s. Could be on the heels of the next leg lower here in the crude oil market. Now over in equities. Today we saw a little bit of upside early in the day. Prices were pushing higher following some of the news that was released last night and good earnings. We did see price push up above the 20-day average and get right to the 5,500 level, which was a pretty good pivot point here going forward. Bears did push back late in the day. We did see the NASDAQ was a little bit stronger, but the Dow was good and closing almost unchanged on the day after seeing good rejection from the 20-day average across all these indexes. If the bears are able to push below today's low here at 53.78, I'd expect them to push back down and potentially try and get another little ripper lower. Not expecting new lows here at the moment, just going to see good back and forth. But be on the lookout for some downside if we're able to trade below this 53.78 tomorrow. That's all we got tonight. Have a good evening.